Hello friends, welcome again with a new video. And how are you? I hope you are fine and doing great. So today in this video you guys can see that there are very beautiful, very impressive, very attractive bedsheet designs for your bedroom. And these bedsheet designs are very beautiful and looking very gorgeous, and I hope you like these designs and these bedsheets. And if you want to purchase this type of bedsheets, so must visit online websites. And if you want to purchase from market, so you guys can easily avail this type of bedsheets from markets and from online websites in Pakistan like Draz.pk, and for foreign countries like United States, India, America, etc. So there is Amazon.com, so you guys can easily avail this type of bedsheets. And if you like these designs and if you want more videos of this type, so tell me in comment section. And if you like this video, so like this video and share it with your friends and give your feedback in comment section. So tell me in comment section what type of videos you want, so I will make that type of videos for all of you. People which are new to my channel, I request you all to subscribe my channel and press bell icon for more videos notification. And people which are also my subscriber, so I request you all to watch my videos till end always, and visit my channel for more videos of this type and for other fashion collection and for other videos. Visit my channel. There are all type of fashion related videos available at my channel. And also visit my channel community. There are posts about my new updates and new videos and other channels. And if you want this video pictures, so you guys can take a screenshot. If you want a clear picture in HD, so tell me in comment section. So tell me that how you want this picture, so I will send you these pictures. So friends, take care of yourself, your family, your belongings. We met in another video. Goodbye. Allah Hafiz.